Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many Roku TV users might find helpful. How to use USB on your Roku TV. So, if you've ever wondered how to unleash the full potential of that USB port on your TV, stick around. Let's get started. Section 1. Locating the USB port. First things first, let's find that USB port on your Roku TV. Typically, it's located on the back or side of the TV. Once you've located it, you're ready to move on to the next step. Section 2. Compatible USB devices. Before you plug anything in, it's crucial to know what USB devices are compatible. Roku TVs generally support USB drives and external hard drives. Make sure your device is formatted in a compatible file system, such as FAT32 or NTFS. Section 3. Connecting the USB device. Now, let's connect your USB device to the Roku TV. Plug it into the USB port we located earlier. Once connected, your TV should recognize the device. If it doesn't, don't worry. We'll troubleshoot that in a moment. Section 4. Navigating the Roku interface. Let's head over to the Roku interface. Use your remote to navigate to the home screen. From there, scroll to the media or video section, where you'll likely find your USB device listed. Click on it to access your files. Section 5. Playing media from USB. You've reached the point where you can start enjoying media from your USB device on the big screen. Whether it's photos, videos, or music, Roku TV supports a variety of file formats. Explore and enjoy your content hassle-free. Section 6. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Make sure your USB device is properly formatted. Try a different USB port, or restart your Roku TV. If problems persist, refer to your TV's manual or Roku's support resources for further assistance. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use USB on your Roku TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roku tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.